The Form SmartSwim 1 goggles represent a significant innovation in swimming technology, designed to provide real-time metrics directly in the swimmer's line of sight through a customizable, transparent display. These goggles are targeted at triathletes and serious swimmers who want to track heart rate, time, distance, pace, stroke rate, and more without interrupting their swim. The onboard motion sensors capture detailed data that can be reviewed in the Form app, offering a comprehensive analysis of each session. The goggles also feature a premium design with industry-leading anti-fog coating, 7 interchangeable nose bridges for a perfect fit, silicone eye seals for comfort and leak prevention, and a battery life that supports up to 16 hours of swim time on a single charge. They come with a 2-year warranty, which reflects the manufacturer's confidence in their durability and quality. One of the standout premium features is SwimStraight, the world's first in-goggle digital compass that helps swimmers stay on course during open water swims. This feature is race approved by major triathlon organizations such as USAT, World Triathlon, PTO, and British Triathlon, making it a trusted tool for competitive swimmers. Additionally, the goggles offer a 1-month free trial for Head Coach, an in-goggle visual coaching system that includes an in-app skills assessment and educational resources to improve swimming technique. Form also provides over 45 training plans and 1,500 workouts, which can be customized or imported from Training Peaks, all accessible through the goggles and app. The goggles are compatible with Garmin and Apple Watch for GPS data integration, enhancing their usefulness in open water environments. User feedback highlights the goggles' comfort and reliability. Many swimmers report that once the correct strap tightness is found, the goggles stay securely in place without leaks throughout their swim sessions. The interchangeable nose bridges allow for a personalized fit that remains trouble-free over time. Users also appreciate the minimal learning curve with only 2 buttons to operate and a simple process to sync with the app. Select swim type, start, and stop workouts. The display is positioned centrally in the goggles but does not interfere with vision, even for those with vision in only one eye. Swimmers note that the display becomes unobtrusive after a few uses and that they can easily choose when to glance at their metrics without distraction. The ability to see real-time data such as distance swum, time elapsed, and heart rate with an optional heart rate sensor is praised for its motivational impact and for helping swimmers set and achieve goals. The goggles accurately detect lap swimming, turns, and differentiate between freestyle and drills without manual input, although some users note a minor inaccuracy, typically missing 1 turn per swim. This slight discrepancy results in a small underestimation of distance, but does not significantly affect overall performance tracking. The Form app offers extensive data and training resources, though some users find it visually busy and suggest a more streamlined interface focused on lap metrics would be beneficial. Despite the premium price, the goggles are considered a worthwhile investment for swimmers who value data-driven training and motivation. The combination of comfort, accuracy, and innovative features like the in-goggle compass and visual coaching sets the Form SmartSwim 1, apart from traditional swimming goggles and other swim trackers. In summary, the Form SmartSwim 1 goggles deliver a unique and advanced swimming experience by merging comfort, precise tracking, and real-time feedback in a user-friendly package. They empower swimmers to monitor their performance effortlessly, stay motivated, and improve technique through integrated coaching tools. While the price point and minor app complexity may be considerations, the overall value for dedicated swimmers and triathletes is substantial. If you are serious about swimming and want to leverage technology to enhance your training, these goggles are an excellent choice. We have gathered reviews from across the internet and the consensus is overwhelmingly positive, emphasizing the goggles' comfort, accuracy, and innovative features. If you own the Form SmartSwim 1, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel and help you find the best deal.